Good medical morning. This is Watson, your king of pops, and today we're going to be packing wounds. Fair warning, you're going to see a lot of clips like this, so viewer discretion is strongly advised. Before we get going, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell for all our videos. Without that bell, you probably won't see our most graphic videos in your feed. This topic was brought to my attention when watching a Dr. Gilmore video. People in the comments ask, why do you pack a wound? Wound packing is performed by doctors or clinical staff for substantial wounds that are deep or that tunnel under the skin. The wound filler is often made of sterile gauze or foam that's designed to be inserted into the wound to soak up blood or other material for a better healing environment. Some of the gauze used in the packing material is impregnated with medication or other substances to prevent necrotic tissue and other unwanted cell growth and microorganisms that will interfere with the healthy progress of healing. The following information is intended to help you better understand and choose what kind of wound packing is best for your situation, either tending to you or your patient's wound. Wound packing can be done with wound packing strips or packing rope. There are actually wound packing tutorials online like this. However, I recommend that you leave that for the professionals. And some medical professionals will argue that wound packing may not actually help the healing process. Are there any medical professionals who would like to weigh in on that comment? Leave your educated opinion below. Thanks again for watching. Click that subscribe button and the notification bell for updates.
Good morning. I'm here to tell you that rest more really works. I'm someone who used to feel really tired always in the afternoons just because I never slept well at night. But that's all changed now thanks to Rest More. If you want to have more energy all day, try and rest more before bed. I did. Buy restmore.com.
Restmore is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Restmore. Now available on Amazon. Good night.